At Donkey, we believe safety and efficiency go hand in hand. While other companies charge thousands of extra dollars for the safety of curbside loading and unloading, Donkey delivers yet again in its long line of industry-leading standard features. With the longest standard reach in the industry, Donkey helps lower your initial investment cost while driving continued efficiency with curbside loading and unloading. Combine all this with our centralized weight distribution, and you'll quickly find that double stacking is done with maximum ease, while making Donkey's fixed mass design the most stable truck-mounted forklift in the industry. In our continued efforts to provide operator safety, not only does the Donkey provide curbside loading and unloading, but also comes with the industry's only curbside mounting and unmounting system. This outstanding feature eliminates the need for your operator to expose themselves to heavy traffic situations, making Donkey unmatched and unrivaled when it comes to safety and efficiency. So when it comes to reach, remember, no one outperforms Donkey. Donkey, American made.